Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update GCP firewall rules for public access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Cloud Console in your web browser. Log in with your credentials if prompted. In the left navigation menu, locate and click on the VPC network option. Under this section, select Firewall. You will now see a list of existing firewall rules. To create a new rule, click on the Create Firewall Rule button. Enter a name for your new firewall rule in the name field. Provide a description for clarity in the description box. Choose the appropriate network from the drop-down menu. In the Priority section, set a priority level for the rule. Lower numbers indicate higher priority. In the Direction of Traffic section, select Ingress for incoming traffic rules. For the action on match, select Allow to permit traffic. Next, in the Targets section, specify the target instances. You can use tags or specify all instances in the network. Scroll down to the Source IP ranges field. Input 0.0.0.0/0 to allow traffic from all IP addresses. In the Protocols and Ports section, select Specified Protocols and Ports. Check TCP for TCP traffic and enter relevant ports, such as 80 for HTTP or 400 for. Review all configurations to ensure accuracy. Finally, click the Create button to implement your new firewall rule. You should now see your new rule listed among the existing firewall rules. Test the configuration by trying to access your public service through the specified ports. If successful, your GCP firewall rules for public access are now correctly updated. Ensure to monitor firewall rules regularly to maintain security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.